Beneath the border of France and Switzerland, buried deep within the Earth, lies the largest machine ever built. It was designed to answer the most fundamental questions of our existence. But what if, in its search for truth, it began to rewrite reality itself? In our relentless pursuit of knowledge, there are lines that, once crossed, cannot be uncrossed. Tonight, we explore the moments when science may have gone too far. These are the top 5 times CERN scientists accidentally broke reality. Number 5. The Mandela Effect Anomaly. The Mandela Effect describes a phenomenon where a large group of people collectively misremembers a specific detail or event. While often dismissed as a quirk of human memory, a strange pattern emerged. Spikes in online reports of new Mandela effects seem to align with dates of high-energy experiments at the Large Hadron Collider. It began as a fringe theory, a whisper on internet forums. Researchers cross-referenced dates of major CERN activations with social media data trends. They discovered statistically significant correlations between the moments particles were smashed together at near light speed and global surges in reported memory discrepancies. From movie lines that never existed to brand logos that mysteriously changed, the connections were faint but persistent. Could the immense energy released by CERN be subtly altering our shared timeline, editing the past one collision at a time? Or is it merely a coincidence, a ghost in the machine of our collective consciousness? Number 4. The Cosmic Ray Event of 2016. On a quiet day, in April 2016, something unexpected happened. As the LHC was ramping up for a new run, a strange burst of high-energy particles, resembling cosmic rays, was detected originating not from space, but from the collider itself, and traveling faster than light. The official explanation was a sensor malfunction, a technical glitch quickly dismissed and rectified. But within closed circles of theoretical physics, the data told a more unsettling story. The particles didn't just appear to break the laws of physics. They seemed to carry an information signature that was unidentifiable, alien to our known universe. Leaked memos spoke of non-standard event signatures and extra-dimensional bleed-through. The incident was scrubbed from public logs, but the data remains. It suggests that for a brief moment the LHC may not have been observing particles from our dimension, but had instead punched a hole into another. Number 3. The Shiva Statuette and the Storm. Outside CERN headquarters stands a statue of the Hindu deity Shiva, the cosmic dancer, responsible for the destruction and recreation of the universe. In the summer of 2015, during a particularly powerful run of the collider, a freak, localized storm of incredible intensity formed directly above the facility. Eyewitnesses reported bizarre lightning patterns and an eerie, green glow in the clouds, all centered over the LHC ring. While meteorologists cited unusual atmospheric conditions, others saw a chilling synchronicity. On the day scientists were recreating the conditions of the Big Bang, nature itself seemed to respond with a violent, almost intelligent force, centered on the very symbol of cosmic destruction. Was it a random act of weather, or was the experiment generating an energy so profound that it warped the very fabric of the environment around it? Number 2. The mysterious CERN employee Titor. In the early 2000s, a man calling himself John Titor appeared on internet forums claiming to be a time traveler from the year 2036. He said he was a soldier sent back to retrieve an old IBM computer, a mission linked to a future catastrophe. His predictions were eerily specific. He spoke of a time distortion unit manufactured by none other than a future version of CERN. He described the physics of time travel in a way that was, at the time, purely theoretical, yet remarkably consistent with emerging quantum theories. He vanished as mysteriously as he arrived, but his story left a permanent mark. Years later, when CERN announced breakthroughs in research that mirrored Titor's fictional science, investigators revisited his posts. The technical details he provided were too advanced for the early 2000s, suggesting he either had inside knowledge or he was exactly who he claimed to be, a product of a future that CERN is actively creating. Number 1. The Higgs boson doomsday particle. In 2012, CERN announced the discovery of the Higgs boson, the particle that gives mass to matter. It was a monumental achievement, a Nobel Prize-winning triumph. But behind the celebration there was a quiet, terrifying concern. According to some calculations, the precise mass of the Higgs boson suggests that our universe exists in a constant, unstable state. This means it could at any moment collapse into a more stable, lower energy state in an event called vacuum decay. If a high enough energy experiment were to trigger this, a bubble of true vacuum would expand at the speed of light, erasing everything in its path. Every time the LHC powers on, scientists are knowingly rolling the dice with the entire cosmos. They believe the risk is infinitesimally small, but the fact that the risk is not zero and that the switch is flipped every day makes the discovery of the Higgs boson the most profound and terrifying reality break of all. The line between discovery and destruction is often invisible until it is crossed. The experiments at CERN are a testament to human curiosity, our unyielding drive to understand the cosmos. But they also serve as a reminder that some doors, once opened, may reveal truths we are not prepared to face. The universe hides its secrets for a reason. And perhaps we should consider whether we are merely observers or if we are becoming the architects of a reality we can no longer control. The truth, as always, is waiting to be found. Thank you for watching.